The Razer Blade 17 is a powerful and well-designed laptop that offers exceptional performance for gamers and content creators. It is a great option for users who are looking for a high-end gaming laptop that can handle demanding games and rendering tasks with ease. Design and display. The Razer Blade 17 has a sleek and minimalist design with an anodized aluminum chassis. It features a 17.3-inch QHD display with a resolution of 2560 by 1440 pixels and a 240 Hz refresh rate. The display is also calibrated for color accuracy and covers 100% of the DCI-P3 color gamut. Processor and graphics. The laptop is powered by a 12th-gen Intel Core i7-12800H, 14-core, 24 MB of cache memory processor, which has a base clock speed of 1.8 GHz and can be boosted up to 4.8 GHz with Turbo Boost technology. It also features a 6 GB NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 graphics card with Max-Q design, which offers exceptional gaming and rendering performance. Memory and storage. The laptop comes with 16 GB DDR5, 4800 MHz dual-channel RAM, which can be upgraded up to 64 GB. It also has a fast 1 TB PCI NVMe SSD for storage, which can be upgraded up to 2 TB. Battery life. The Razer Blade 17 has an 82-hour rechargeable lithium-ion polymer battery that can provide up to 8 hours of battery life, it's depending on usage. It also has a fast charging feature, which can charge the battery up to 50% in just 30 minutes. Connectivity and ports. The laptop has a range of connectivity options, including Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2. It also has a range of ports, including Thunderbolt 4, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A and Type C ports, an HDMI 2.1, RJ45, and a UHS-2 SD card reader port. Dimensions and weight. The Razer Blade 17 has a slim and lightweight design, with dimensions of 0.78 inches by 10.24 inches by 15.55 inches and a weight of 5.50 pounds. Thank you.